Welcome to BrightView's exceptional service in Boca Raton, Florida. At BrightView, we're proud to serve the Boca Raton Resort with unparalleled landscape care year after year. Our dedicated team removes old flowers, ensuring a fresh canvas for nature's beauty. We clean the soil, eliminating debris and old finds. The soil receives expert attention. We till it to perfection, infusing new life or fresh soil where necessary. Witness the transformation as new flowers arrive, ready to bloom. Our commitment to excellence shines as we strategically place each flower. We create ideal spaces using augers or hand tools, introducing fertilizer for vibrant growth. We carefully position flowers, securing their growth by arranging soil around them. The landscape comes alive with the promise of nature's brilliance. Attention to detail is our hallmark. Empty pots are cleaned, and pine fines are placed around flowers for moisture retention and a polished appearance. Under the Florida sun, the surroundings gleam. Flowers are tenderly watered, embracing their new home. BrightView's unwavering commitment ensures the Boca Raton community enjoys nature's beauty throughout the seasons. BrightView, where landscapes thrive. Experience the difference. Contact us today.